So today's the day that the old Xbox 360 controller charger broke, and this day came long after actually the day that the charger just stopped charging the battery. So then you were just playing with a wired remote all the time. So now I'm looking at this old mess, and I finally figured it out. Just hook up the black wire to this side and the red wire to this side, like so, and then it can turn the remote on. So now let's get some heat shrink tubing to make it look and feel like it's brand new. This is heat shrink tubing, because why not, right? And jump cuts. After you get the heat shrink on the wire all loosey-goosey like that, you want to like peel like 2 inches of it, because you want to like wrap it around the little spring like a lasso, and then use the heat shrink to tie it off permanently. Look at that, how the camera just goes in and out of focus every 2 seconds. Isn't that so beautiful to the eyes? Mesmerizing. Okay, super hard to see here, but see how that wire is wrapped around the spring? It's all the contact you need, and then you just keep twisting the wire around itself, and then you're gonna slip the heat shrink tubing over, cover it up like that, and then you're gonna give her the old lighter trick, but after you do this side too, because you know if it gets loose, you kind of don't want them to be drawn to coming closer and closer to each other. Impending doom for the Xbox. And if you're wondering why this video is like really awkwardly being filmed, it's because I'm doing this from my couch. You know, I'm doing this from my couch because like just so you can do it too. You know, like boom, look at that. If this doesn't inspire confidence, holding a lighter in your household over your home furnishings, you know, I don't know what will make you feel confident. So let's see if she turns on. Hey buddy, look at see? Oh man, no, I don't want to watch the Spider-Man. I just want to play Hitman on easy. Hey? Isn't that amazing? I don't know what you do with these other 2 wires. I don't know what Xbox will know what to do with these other 2 wires, but they're useless. You just need the red one and the black one. Also, I guess you could use the, it's going to be braided along the outside. I know it's the ground, but it's probably safer to hook up the ground and the black one together. Meh. You know, I don't think that this little remote's gonna catch my house on fire, because I'm just gonna unplug it every now and then. I don't want to use it. Anyways, cheerio.